Alright, off to work. Today, I have a few plans. First of all, go to work. There's a lot of people getting coffee this morning. Not me. I don't drink that. Waving good morning to all the fellow folks that are out this morning. Howdy, howdy. I'm excited to finally get this load dumped at the dump. I've got a lot of stuff in there. It's been weighing down the truck for a while. That's the goal after work, is to get the bed of the truck cleared out at the transfer station. This is usually the way I go to work. There's less traffic, so I go this way. Plus around the corner is McDonald's. I can pick me up my Diet Coke and sausage McGriddles. Good breakfast. Holds me over until I get off work at 2, 3 o'clock. Then I can have a snack, and then dinner time. There they are, golden arches. Well, you can't see the arches, but that's the building. Well, wouldn't you know it? The transfer station's closed today. Well, they were open from 8 until noon, but they're not open anymore. So I'm gonna have to take this load tomorrow. Dang it, I really didn't want to do that. I wanted to get it done today because today is the day that I drove the truck, specifically for that. Otherwise I would have taken my Jeep and been warm. It's raining, so I probably won't do much else today. Probably just sit and relax, hang out. Alright, so I wasn't going to do anything today, but Facebook Marketplace got me today. And I saw a 7.5 foot tree on there for free. They said some of the lights don't work. I was like, I could probably fix that. So right now I'm tearing all the lights off of my current tree, which was only like a 5.5 foot one. This is a small one. And I'm replacing all the burnt out bulbs in the 7.5 foot one. So I already did one string. Now I'm going to be working on that string. Luckily they're the same, so I'm just pulling all the old bulbs off this in case any go out. That way I have like 200 extra. The last 4 hours have been fun. I've been pulling all the bulbs off my old tree and putting all of them on the new tree. It's pretty much all put together. I'm still missing quite a few sections, but those sections have most of the bulbs replaced already. I did just get on Amazon and order a bulk of replacement bulbs. Considering the tree was about $102, or is $102 now, and the bulbs were 20 bucks. The tree was free for me, and so I can actually say I got a $20 7.5 foot tree. A lot less than buying a good tree, and I put a little bit of time into it and get it working and running. Fixing something is always better than just replacing it and throwing something away. As I stand here with the back of my truck completely full of stuff that's going to the landfill. Yeah, that stuff is junk, is garbage. It's been fixed as much as it can be fixed. Bert, gotta have my heaters on tonight. My goodness. I don't know why I have so many of these batteries lying around. I know this one's for my Jeep. That one's for the Audi. I've got 2 more over here. One was in the Corvette, said it was bad, but it's actually good. And the other one's for just one that I have for jump starting stuff. Just to test this battery out, let's get this guy undone, plugged in. Positive here, negative here, and we'll start charging it. So I had it tested at O'Reilly. They tested it in the car, said it was a bad battery. It was having issues starting the car, so I'm guessing that It's probably a good battery, but not enough for the AGM requirement that the Jeep needed. 519, it's 3.5 years old. It shouldn't be dead, but then again, this car didn't get a lot of miles put on it in those 3.5 years, so it did sit quite a bit. Yeah. So this battery, charged, maintaining, this is a good battery, just not good enough for the Jeep. And this one's for the Audi. I bought this one brand new just for the Audi, and unfortunately, the Audi needs an engine, I think. That's reversed. Oh. No, I'm glad it told me. So I have no idea about this battery. It's brand new. It's only, let's see, 422. So it's only 8 months old. I had a good set of straps for the longest time. I say good, it wasn't that good. It was just like these ones. Over the last like 6 years, they've just disappeared. Not a clue where they went. And over the last like year, I've gotten all these for free. I've gotten like 8 or 10 different ratchet straps, all for free, just at random times. And now I have an abundance of ratchet straps that I hardly ever use. But I know if I get rid of them, I'm going to need them. This battery must have really needed a charge, because that fan's going pretty dang good. Don't worry, one of these days I'm going to be working on a car for you guys. It's just far too cold. Yeah, still charging. These things are awesome. The Schumacher chargers. Man, those batteries are heavy. I'm not sure what to do now. I've done almost everything that I need to. I mean, I have done everything that I need to. I know what I can do. I can go to the Corvette. I've got a few tools there, including the T20 that goes on here. I have more tools out there than I thought. I got this stuff. I haven't tried it yet. I'm really looking forward to trying it. Thorough Flush Cleanse All Cooling Systems. Oh, hey, I just bought a case of this. It's a good thing I already have 5 bottles sitting here. And you know what I'm going to do? Or should I do it tomorrow? Yeah, I'll do it tomorrow. You guys can watch me clean my shelf of chemicals. My chemical shelf. And we'll find out if this battery is good tomorrow. That's going to be it for today. I want to thank you guys for watching. And if you guys want to like the video, it helps out a bunch. Share the video with your friends if you think they might have a good time watching this stuff. And don't forget to subscribe so you can see me here tomorrow. Catch you later.